Anderson, mahalaala mo kaya ABS-CBN 2. Lolo Revilla, mahalaala mo kaya gitara ABS-CBN 2. Lester Bianza, mahalaala mo kaya musiko ABS-CBN 2. Ronaldo Valdez, maalaala mo kaya bisikleta ABS-CBN 2.
Dahil hindi tayo mamadali, bagal tayo.
Sandro Marudo, maalaala mo kaya ba ABS-CBN 2.
Bumalik nga sa air sa piling ko pero parang wala naman doon ang asawa ko.
And the star goes to... Tumigado ka dito na ako ang masa. Check out the end!
Yes! Yes, attendance na nalo si RJ.
Wow, good evening. Una-una maraming salamat kay God, of course, kasi hindi ko dahil sa kanya. This opportunity, this amazing, wonderful opportunity that I have with me right now. Sa pamilya ko for always supporting me through thick and thin. Lalo na for the last couple months, it's been a roller coaster ride and they've always been there for me. Sa beautiful handler ko na si Miss Nina Manyares, Star Magic, ABS-CBN, Tita Charo, Tita Malu, Sir Dale for always supporting me, believing in me. My mentor is si Director Roel Bayani, who's the director of this episode. Talagang he pushed me to my limits and he brought up the best in me. And sana lang mo, I can inspire more people. Lalo with my MK episode, thank you for the opportunity sa MK staffing crew. Yeah. And of course, yung wonderful and amazing talented people na si Kim Chu who's always been supporting me through thick and thin. Yeah. And thank you. And it's a very, very amazing privilege to be nominated alone next to Mayor Doms and all the great actors and all the other amazing great actors. And maraming salamat, PMPC at the press. Thank you.
How did you watch that episode? It was really great. He delivered a strong performance. Okay, so tatlong beses na nanalo siguro ng Pilipino ng best single performance by an actor.